guys, mega love shout out po sa ating lahat. Magandang gabi, bayan. Yan, pupunta po kami ngayon sa Continental Hotel. Yan guys. Yan po yung kasama ko. Ayan. Kami mag-chow. Pupunta kaming Mickey Chow. Chow. Saan tayo dito? Baka drama. Wala doon pa. Dito tayo guys. Ayan o, tingnan nyo o. Tingnan mo muna natin doon. Okay lang naman na babalik eh. Ayan guys, National Library building. Ito, yan, National Library.
Wala naman tayo.
Ini-screen ako ni Lolo. Ito ni Bugis. Ang ganda pala ng Bugis.
Bugis Junction. O, diyan.
Oo. Books. Kasi sa 22 daw nagpapasama yung si Adela. Bugis daw. Sa Singtel. Ipapaayos niya yung papaayos niya yung
ayan na,
oo.
Diba?
Tawid tayo. Oo. Yan na. Yan na po, guys, yung pupuntahan namin. Oo nga, ito. Nakita ko noon. Hanggang dito lang ako noon na nag-vlogs. Sa Singtel.
So, anong gagawin?
Ipapalitan niya daw yung niya.
Number niya?
Oo.
SIM card niya.
SIM card.
SIM number.
Ayan yan. Capital. Capital.
Papapalitan ng SIM pero same number.
Yan Middle Road. Ayan, Intercontinental. Tama-tama pala sabi ng lalaki na diretso.
Bugis. Nasa stock niya.
Kaya ayun yata. Ayan, Intercontinental Singapore. Diyan tayo pupunta, guys. Ayan, tignan nyo, guys. Ang ganda ng... Gandali.
A few moments later.
Go, umbrella. Yan, galing ng Pilipinas, fresh na fresh.
Wow.
Okay, so what we're going to do, there will be three questions. Okay, so I'll divide this into three areas. Okay, the first question will be here. Second, dito sa gitna, and the third will be sa left side. Okay na tayo? Okay na?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. So, paunahan nila, we just have to raise our hands. So, I'll approach you. Tapos, bilang yung guess. Okay? So, okay? So, this part. Okay. So we can manage. Hold on. Thank you, Sir Miko. Okay. Question number 1. Trivia. Okay? Take it away. Question number 1.
Which city?
Which city in the Philippines is called the City of Smells? Ready? 1, 2, go! Sorry, dito part pala muna. Okay, I saw the yellow one, Kababangan. Yes, what is your name? Lulu? Okay, so the answer is? Bacolod City. Actually, yun yung first question. The second question is, when is Bacolod City founded? Miss Lulu! Congratulations! Stand up, man. Picture tayo. Picture. Ay, video mo lang. Okay, thank you. And this is Lulu. Again, I'll signal go. Yeah. Okay? Okay? So you will notice.
Trivia to
Okay, this part naman, you will notice na I'm facing at the back. Okay, para clear. Then when I say go, that's the time I'll turn around. Okay, for this part, itong
dito tayo.
ito. Okay.
Baka alam mo, ingat ko.
Sige. Ready? Okay? Wait for me, ano? So, ano bang una? Wait for the closing na sabay-sabay. Okay? Turn my back again. 1, 2, 3. Question number 2. What is the longest running no-time show in the Philippines? Go! Bilis naman. Yes, kayo ba? Kababahan ka ba? Parang, talaga. Okay? What is your name, please? Charlene? Miss Charlene, what is the answer?
Bulaga!
Okay! It's showtime po. It's Bulaga! Teacher! Ay, camera pala. Hello! Congratulations! Okay! Nako, dito naman tayo sa third part. Ito, mahirap po ito, no? So make sure familiar po kayo sa mathematics. Nako, hindi po biro to. Sir Nico?
Doon kami sa kabila daw. Yun, doon kami. Doon kami daw.
Sir Mark and JP, go! Question number 3! What is the title of our Philippine national anthem? Go!
Wala, doon sila. Thank you po,
Narinig
sir.
kita! Yun dyan, mapapahiya tayo. Okay, what is your name, sir? What is your name, sir?
Ay, English pala yun. Salvador.
Salvar?
Salva. Edgar.
Edgar! Sir Edgar! Ano ang tamang
Sagot.
Lupang hinira.
Lupahiya! Tama ang sagot? Tama! Okay, kantahin po natin ulit. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, yeah, siyempre, narinig kita, may taas ang kamay. Very good. Take it away, Miss Grace and Sir Nico.
Thank you, Sir Mark, our Alden Senior International Marketing Manager for RLC for the adrenaline rush. I can see that everyone wants to have the rainy day season kabuhayan package ang payo ni RLC. You know, when the question was flashed, what is the noontime, longest running noontime show? I was supposed to have an answer for that. I thought it's Wawawi. Bigyan ng jacket niya! But it's Bulaga pala. But then again, thank you, Mark. Now that we're feeling the adrenaline rush, we're feeling giddy and excited. Now it's time to move on to the next part.
Ito, medyo we'll learn a little trivia naman.
Trivia.
From our next speaker.
Will there be another rainy day season kabuhayan package again?
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe.
Another trivia, but this is regarding RLC naman.
I would like partner, no? I would just like to say thank you to all our foreign friends for understanding, because some parts of the program may be in our national language, Filipino. This is how we Filipinos have fun. So thank you again for understanding, and thank you for joining us today. All right, let's get to the next part, partner.
Please.
All right, let's get to know our brand, our story, RLC story. May we call on our Senior International Marketing Director, Ms. Rayan Mendoza.
Good evening. Thank you for coming to our event. I'm actually tasked to present our brand story to you so that you gain more confidence to buy more units from us. So I'll start with RLC Residences. We are actually part of a big conglomerate in the Philippines, the Gokongwei Group. So under JG Summit Holdings, you see all of these big names, big companies. So you see there Robinson's Land Corporation, and I think for almost 4 decades, we've been delivering properties left and right in different parts of the world. And then you see, we also own Cebu Pacific. And then Robinson's Bank, which has a recent merger with BPI, and Universal Urbina. So if you're familiar with Jack and Jill, it's actually owned by the Gokongwei family. And then this next slide will give you the performance that we had for the last few years. So we actually got this awards from that property. It's actually a property giving award body. So you see, last 2 years ago, I think we were awarded Best Developer of the Year. And then from Property Guru as well. You see all of these trophies. Since we have a lot of projects to offer, we've been recognized for some of our projects like the Best Developer in Luzon, Best Operational Hospitality Portfolio, and then the Best Developer again is Robinson's Land Corporation. So are you excited to know what are the projects that we're offering tonight?
Yes!
Yes! So I actually have just 3 categories for the projects that we have. The one are reselling properties. The second one are renting for occupancy properties. But if that's not enough, you can ask your agent about our Robinson's Homes. So the next slide, I'll briefly discuss about the reselling properties that we have. So you have the Lupon. To give you a brief background about Lupon, it's like the future BGC. It's a 32-hectare development in Bridgetown, which is actually being developed by the Bangko. So it's one of the fastest selling projects that we have as well. But we also have different locations like Pasig, Woodsville. We also have in Cebu. We have Sierra Valley Gardens as well. This is the most affordable project that we have. And then I think half, if not half or all, is actually excited about the presentation of Mira, which will be discussed by my colleague later. We just recently launched this project and I can't wait to share the promos that we have exclusively for tonight. Okay? So for the next slide, personally, this is actually the favorite project, favorite set of projects that I have. We also have ready for occupancy properties. So if you're the type of buyer who wants your unit to be delivered in 2 to 3 months, we have those projects. So as you can see, we have in BGC, Taguig, we have in San Juan, we have in Mandaluyong, we have in Green Hills, we have in Pasig City and Quezon City.